Moses Kuria na uria ni advisor wa President William Ruto agikinya ni maundu megi economy ya bũrũri witũ wa Kenya ni arikitie gutiga gicigo kia Mount Kenya kimakite thutha wa gukorwo akihithuria maundu ma magigi, maundu ma kumakania, maundu marikitie kuhutia muikari wa Mathira kuria Deputy President wa hau gabere Rigathi wa Gachagua uria urikitie kuma iditana kunia ndeto ino ya Moses Kuria iria ikirikitie gukorwo akianika ino irikitie gutiga aikia a kura gicigo-ini kia Mathira na Wagagu na makiria makiurania ta thirikari ino ya William Ruto igukorwo ikihana atia. No itana gutariria ndeto ino makiria ni no nguhe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo gi-subscribe ni wa channel ino itu na ndukariganirwo gukorwo kinya kengere niguo kamukagira mohoro ukiri wa mbere hindi ciothe riria twagikorwo tugikira maria marathii na mbere gukorwo makihanika thini wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya. Thutha wa bunge ya Senate gukindira kuhagurwo kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua ta Deputy President wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya, utuku wa umuthi kana utuku wa muthenya wa kana bunge ya gĩbũrũri ta muthenya wa ira iragikorwo ikihitukia Minister Kithure Kindiki ta Deputy President Mwamure na uria umba akorwo akihitithio muthenya wa umuthi indi igoti muthenya wa ira rirakorwo rikirugamia mitaratara oro yothe ya kugia na Deputy President mweru. Riu mundu ugwitwo Moses Kuria na uria ni advisor wa President William Ruto hakinya ni maundu megi economy ya bũrũri witu wa Kenya ni arikitie gukorwo akimakia a Kenya guko nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria thutha ake gukorwo akihura githuri na kuga hate gwitigira ati ona igutiria korwo rikirugamia kwihitithio kwa Deputy President mweru Kithure Kindiki, thirikari ya President William Ruto no iguthie na mbere na mitaratara ya kumwihitithia kuona matirenda kuigua wega ati Rigathi wa Gachagua Deputy President uria mwagure no hakinye handu hihi akorwo agicokerio giturwa kiu ni igoti rinene. Riu ndeto ndikiri hau kuona ningi Moses Kuria ni arikitie gukorwo akimakia a Kenya na makiria ha Kenya kuma gicigo kia Mathira mucii kwa Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua niwe mwagure, na thutha wa Moses Kuria gukorwo akihithuria ategwitigira ati ona thengia Rigathi wa Gachagua gukorwo ati akinukio ni bunge ya Senate mucii kaimana na aruti a wira aingi ari Gachagua arandikite kana ararutanagia wira nao kuria ofisi-ini iri irakiri yake ya Deputy President. Gicunjĩ kinene kia aingi ao kiria ni gicunjĩ kia 80% kuona marakiri a kuma kuria mucii kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua kuria Mathira Nyeri. Thirikari ya President William Ruto utuku wa gukia umuthi nirikitie kuhe aruti acio othe rutha rwa kiainya na gugakorwo magicoka wira riria maikorwo makitwo ni thirikari ya mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto. Gũgaituĩka nĩ tondũ nĩguo ofisi ĩyo ya Deputy President ikorwo igĩbangwo werũ nĩguo ĩkorwo ĩkĩamũkĩra Deputy President mwerũ ũrĩa nĩwe Kithure Kindiki, na kuona mũndũ mũgĩ ndakĩrĩ mĩhere ya ũhoro ũrĩa Moses Kuria harageria gũkorwo akiuga nĩ atĩ aingĩ a aruti a wĩra thĩinĩ wa ofisi ĩyo ya Deputy President a kuma gĩcigo kĩa Mathira kũrĩa Nyeri kuona mahetwo rũtha rwa kĩahinya nginyagia rĩrĩa mũndũ akahũrĩrwo thimũ no kwina hotekeku munene mafuto kana na njira ngui aruti acio marakiruta wira na Deputy President ucio muhagure Rigathi wa Gachagua oro nao ni wira marikitie gukorwo magifutwo uria Rigathi wa Gachagua arakorirwo agika o niguo Moses Kuria arikorirwo akirekeria ndumiriri yake na akorwo akiandika na ni ndumiriri ya ikorwo igitrend na njira nene muno na nie ni gukorwo ngimiquote mwena uria wa Twitter. Honorable Moses Kuria akandika ũũ: 80% of the staff working in the office of the Deputy President were from Mathira constituency. Tonight they have all been sent on compulsory leave. Ni ndumiriri ya mundu ugwitwo Moses Kuria. Thutha wa Kenya aingi gukorwo makiona miario hiyo ya magigi ya kumakania kuma kwi Moses Kuria, aingi riu ni manjitie gukorwo makiruta mihwa mwanya mwanya na nie ni gukorwo ngikuot andu maiganona ta uria makorirwo makiuga kuona kungikakinyanĩria ndagĩka ĩno nĩ atĩ kũigakinya ndagĩka ĩno nĩ atĩ irũa nĩ rĩkorirwo rĩkĩrekererio nĩ thirikari, harĩa ta ũyũ arĩkĩtie gũkorwo akiuga wega ta wega ategwĩtigĩra. Hena Devi Kucho akandĩka, maybe Kuria is the only saint that cannot hire people from his wood and address it. Ndio akawa kuna msemo mama alikuwa ananiambia akinituma na nikose kwenda analisha kondoo alafu baadaye inakugonga. Mother Kome ndo hapa anakiota na bado na Brian King akawa, just when you thought that the things are getting smooth on your side, then things get messy. Season 2 of something is loading. These so-called leaders need to censor their words because we live in difficult times and Kenyans are not fools. And a Swift Tish Ahmed akawa, someone trust people from his place and they are disqualified. I don't see the problem. And a Daddy Amos akawa, Kithuri Kindiki, Moses Kuria, Rigiji and Ishongwa are from Rima, so this impeachment has to do nothing with the people from outside Mlima, including the president and the Azimio team. Mlima is fighting inside Mlima. Hena Matoke the Sun dance akaoka, all the cabinet secretary who are appointed and removed from office have a problem with Gachagua. They were not happy when Ruto announced their termination, leaving Gachagua in office. And Amili Senoshora Kogana that keep Rotich, which electronics Kenyans or Ugandans and I pretend to work over. I even thought Moses Kuria is the state house controller. Then I remembered he is just a bitter man holding an constitutional office by the name of an economic advisor to the president. Hena Naomi wangu yakaoga, huyu na niliona kwa Kembaso hupewa tenders but anapokea pesa yote. Huyu ni Ruto, hatari sana. Nikikumbuka ofisa wa ABC mwenye walimalizia naishiwa na nguvu. Haina ni follow punguza stress kwa wanaopenda ukabila. Tuliona siku ya kwanza kabla hawajaapishwa, kwa hiyo hatushtuki tukiona maana tuliona kabla. Na Blessed Naftari kwa Kuria Kiria Kanwa, cheza kama wewe, wengi walikuwa Rift Valley, we know very well. Na Jane Mwangi kwa huyu Kuria anafaa salimiwe kidogo. Advice mgani huyu sasa achunge asiwe ni yeye next. Mafi. Na Mwangi Sarafina kwa how about the state organ parastatus. Na Mwangi Sarafina kwa Mugithii be fighting about themselves, sibling slavery. Na Jeffrey JK kwa is Madira in Kenya or Uganda? Now where is the problem if he works with Kenyans? I'm confused now because we have two DPs, one from people and the other one from the president choice. Na Ruth Mutile Wasike akawa, I am now convinced beyond reasonable doubt that the impeachment was really political and witch hunt. What happened to protecting our constitution? Let me sit, watch and enjoy in my next life. I must come back as a Kenyan. This drama is too much. John Marumbi, are they Uganda or Kenyan? Kuria accept Gachagua. Political seniority in the region is not your equal. Woko nuko mwangi wa Mohoro ni no guhenda itiyo kinene. Witikire ukoge subscribe dine wa channel eno itu.